Hey guys, this is June because I was born in June and welcome to my amazing life today. So in today's video, I'm going to explore with you this really awesome project management tool that is free, that is called Trello. And I'm just going to explore with you guys how I use Trello in order to manage a few of my businesses and also to communicate with my team members. And this is absolutely for free. All right. So if let's say you want to start checking it out, you can just go to the link at the description box down below to actually register in a free account. It's absolutely free. So what you need to do once you've done registrations, you are going to brought over to something like a Trello demo here, right? So I'm just going to show you guys. I'm creating a Trello board to talk to my assistant. Okay. So this is called YouTube video collaboration. Right? So right now you can pick the background color. Let's pick something that is easy to see, okay? So right now I'm actually creating a Trello board. Also, what is Trello board essentially? There are a lot of use case scenario, but I'm just going to use a use case so that you're able to communicate with your virtual assistant or with your team members. So let's say it can be something like this is a discussion list that you want to discuss with your team, and then this is to-do list, um, June's to-do list, and then this is let's say the to-do list of your VA, right? You can put a name. Let's say your VA name is November, so you can put that. So this is in progress. Your VA is actually doing it. All right, so you kind of know. And then after your VA have done the task, you probably want to review and recheck. So this is to review by June, right? And then this is to complete. Okay, sorry, it can be called completed because once you call completed, you just want to store it out, right? And then this is can be important resources and information. All right, don't worry, I will just explain to you how it all works, okay? Important resources and info, right? Okay, so essentially what we call this is called as kanban board, means that every card essentially can move from one place to the other. So let's say this project that I having is called YouTube video collaboration that I'm having with my VA. Her name is called November. All right, so let's say the discussion list I want to discuss with her about thumbnail design. This is one of the to-do lists or the to discuss list I have with her, right? So another item maybe I want to discuss with her about our YouTube description, right? Our YouTube channel description, or like our tube buddy setup, right? Setup example. So each other items that you want to discuss, the great thing is that you can move over. Let's say you guys when you guys on call, you have meetings, you want to record the details, the meeting minutes. You can actually put it all, you can put a links, you can attach a file, you can even set up due dates. You can set a due dates, you can even input a checklist. Like let's say the due date to discuss this item is actually on 17th. You can set it up, and not only that, you can even set the reminder of this to-do list essentially, and then one day before the reminder, one day before the due date, you will actually send a reminder to you. Okay, so you can set a due date. You can actually label like what is this label. You can rename yourself, like maybe red color means urgent. This one is like important but non-urgent, something like that, anything that you like. All right, so this card is super important, so I'm just going to mark urgent. And then can you guys see that, like based on the outer layer, you're able to see, oh, red color, red alert, it is urgent, right? So, and also you can even tag the member. Of course, right now I don't have any member yet in the Trello board. You can always add another member that, and then you can tag them over the card. All right, so just like how I'm tagging, let's check this out. Okay, and you can even attach a file. All right, you can attach a file, link it to Google Drive, Dropbox, or computer, and it's so easy to use. And there are a lot of different automation which I'm not going to go into detail. It is called Butler. It is next level once you know how to use Trello. All right, so let's just assume that you have a lot of things just like this. You have all the links. It's enable you to do a lot of discussions. And then once you text someone, they will also be receiving a notification over here. Okay, so That's why it's so easy and so handy. Let's say you already discussed and you guys kind of like discuss what is the to-do list for each other. You can then move this item to your VA to-do list, right? So you guys can like maybe upon the discussion, you guys produce a checklist. So this is a checklist. So this to add the YouTube thumbnail. Um, what else? Probably you want to like have a picture of June. So you guys can, it makes the collaboration between team members very easily, right? So you can produce a checklist and then you can move around the board. Let's say your VA has anything she wants to ask you, she can actually comment in the same card and tag you and ask you a question. And then you will then receive email notification as well as, you know, just like a Facebook. To me, it's just like a Facebook for work. Facebook for projects, right? Then you guys can like, if let's say your VA wants to tell you that she is actually doing it in progress, she can actually move this card to in progress VA. And then once she has finished it, then she can actually move it to review by you. And then you guys can move it to completed. And then some of the important information like, you know, password or any of the access link, you can actually put it in the important resources information. So basically, this is the exact way that we are using in order to collaborate with our team members, and it's absolutely very, very fun and very, very easy to use. Especially, we don't literally have to talk much to each other. We collaborate in this compound Trello board, and it's absolutely free. If let's say it's the first time you're using it, you probably need some time to get used to it. But then once you actually get your hands on it, you will absolutely love it. So if let's say you've been liking this demo and this review of how I use Trello boards in order to manage my projects, feel free to leave me a comment down below or hit the like or hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we are going to share even more productivity tips that can actually help you in your project management tool, in your marketing, as well as in your entrepreneurship journey. Okay, so that's all with it. And also, if let's say you are an entrepreneur and you have been wanting to start a video just like this to get more leads converting into clients, right? You have no idea what kind of video topics you can talk about, I have one free gift for you. You can actually go ahead and download this free 30-day live video ideas so that you can start use your videos, use your Facebook live, right, to talk about all those topics in order to start getting leads to get into your program or maybe in your coaching program as well. All right, so I'm just going to put the link down here, right here. We are going to edit this out. And absolutely, that's, remember, you can always join our Facebook group. Our Facebook group is at www.amazingstory.co to learn more about mini masterclass about productivity, entrepreneurship, and marketing. And I look forward to see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.